Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving into the all-new 2024 Abarth 500e. This isn't just a regular electric car. This is the future of small performance cars, and it's packing some serious punch. First, let's talk about the design. The 500e still has that iconic, cheeky Abarth style, compact, curvy, and sporty, but it's been modernized. Check out these 18-inch alloy wheels, aggressive front bumper, and the Abarth Scorpion logo. Oh, and don't miss the sleek LED headlights and taillights that give it a more futuristic vibe. Inside, you're greeted with a 10.25-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is compact, but filled with sporty details like Alcantara seats, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and an upgraded sound system that brings real bass to your beats. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. The Abarth 500e has a 42 kilowatt-hours battery that powers a 155 horsepower electric motor. 0 to 60. You're looking at just 7 seconds. That's fast enough to keep you smiling on every twisty road. Plus, it comes with 3 driving modes: Turismo for efficiency, Scorpion Street for a balance of power and regeneration, and Scorpion Track for full throttle fun. Okay, let's talk range. On a full charge, the Abarth 500e gives you up to 200 miles of range. That's more than enough for daily commuting and weekend trips. Charging is fast too. With an 85 kilowatts fast charger, you can go from 0 to 80% in just 35 minutes. So grab a coffee and you'll be ready to go before you know it. So, what's the price tag for all this? The 2024 Abarth 500e starts at around $35,000. But with all the fun features and that thrilling electric performance, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for a small car with big personality, the Abarth 500e is an absolute must-have. It's electric, it's fast, and it's the future of Abarth performance. That's all for today's review of the 2024 Abarth 500e. If you love this video, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car reviews. See you in the next one.